everyone. Welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah. This is Clint Hansen.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions, and we're super excited to do it. And we're super excited to be back. And we're super excited that it's September.
Why are you super excited? What happens in September?
Because in just a few weeks, fall will officially be here. I'm so excited. I really want to be normal about it. You know, like mature.
You mean not, as opposed to last time? Can we get a little shot of how she acts in fall right about in here? Please? Yeah.
It's fall. It's fall!
Jesus. Yeah, that's it.
I'm so excited for fall. So I just the other day, I bought some berries. Like, you know, like some stems, some fake stems with the little orange mustardy yellow berries for decoration for fall in my house.
She gets like that.
Do you decorate?
No.
she
My wife
gets
does.
like that. Yeah, I was just really excited to buy my first fall thing.
Yeah.
I know you guys don't care about that, but I do. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'll calm down. Are you ready for questions?
Yes.
Great. Here we go.
All right. Let's see.
So, our first question is from our friend, Colin O'Connor.
Okay.
Colin says, hello, asking again. Does Clint have recommendations for the lower end barrels available, such as the Government Profile Modern Series, as far as build focus?
All right, let's reword this goal we have here of this focus. Build focus. Your build focus, whether you're choosing premium, performance, or modern, that shouldn't change, okay? In terms of your barrel length, caliber you're choosing, and what you're going to look for, okay? None of that has to change, okay? And when we say lower end, you know, I get what we're saying in terms of describing the modern series. However, keep in mind that performance and modern series barrels, they're made the same way. Same steel, same twist, same chamber, okay? Difference between the two is the performance series has a nickel bore and barrel extension and an 11-degree target crown. You don't have those two things on the modern series barrel. However, and most of the performance series and premium series, you have a lot of Hansen options, fluted options with the premium. So don't look at it as changing your build focus. You have plenty of capable barrels that just don't fall into that, you know, that profile or whatever icing on the cake we put on, you know, in order to make that a little more extravagant or a little bit of an add-on to improve that barrel a touch. Your focus should be the same as it always is. Get an efficient barrel that's going to make sense for whatever you're trying to shoot at, how often you're trying to shoot, and what caliber you're trying to select. So, no, I don't have any advice from you other than do it the same way you would no matter what barrel you're choosing. So, we have a lot of options in that modern series too, all the way from 7.5 and 5.56 all the way to 20 inch. So, you're going to find something in there that's going to be plenty good for the rig you're trying to build.
Awesome.
Next question.
Okay, our second question is from our friend, Mr. Damabella. I would love a lightweight 6.5 Creedmoor AR. Is it possible or practical to make a pencil type 6.5 barrel, say, under 2 pounds?
Under 2 pounds. Possible? Yes. Practical? Maybe not. If you think a 16-inch 308 barrel, we do a kind of like a gov profile on that one. That one's just over 2 pounds. So to go lighter than that on a Creedmoor, I'm not sure that's going to be the route we're going to take. However, we have been discussing it. Because yes, it is possible, and I'm pretty excited to do it. I think we need a lighter version. So we'll see. It's just in talks. Don't tell anybody. I don't think I'm supposed to tell you, but we are thinking about doing a lighter weight Creedmoor for sure. Good question.
That's exciting.
That is exciting. But don't tell anybody.
Jeffrey, put your cell phone away.
Yeah.
He's tweeting all the time. He tweets everything we say. He thinks we're funny. Awesome. That's so great.
Excellent.
Thanks so much, Clint, for your answers.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much to our friends who sent your questions. We loved them. Thanks so much to our viewers for watching our channel and for supporting us and for tuning in once again for season 2 of Q&A with BA. We love it. We love you guys. If you liked this video, and we know you did, I feel it in my heart.
Yeah, it feels good.
In my stomach, because I'm a little hungry right now. If you like this video, you should definitely give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos up every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. Again. And if you want to see Clint Hansen answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you guys send us. Is that a new water bottle you got there, Clint? Is that from...
Tatiana.
You stole her water bottle.
I did.
Wow. I don't know what to say to that. It's like a dance mom. You know?